Hey chicos,
What's up? So
today's video, well, this freaking mess que tengo aquí. Me hice mi makeup this morning, pero como que ya está like, mi piel está like telling me like to take it off already, pero I'm just gonna film this video and then I'll wash my face porque se siente así como like, you know what I mean? Como un transformer. Miren todo este desmadre que pasó, like, so hoy I filmed. Y usualmente when I do my videos, like, siempre hago un desastre. Imagínate cómo será cuando no limpio, like, for a while, which, like, tengo otra mesita in my bedroom que I have, like, all my makeup. Well, I had my old makeup. I put it now in this room. And, oh my god, era lo doble de esto. And I didn't even know where half of the stuff was at. So, that's what we're trying to avoid. This is why I'm gonna fix everything. You're gonna be along the ride with me so that you can see how everything gets organized or whatever.
keep on watching.
Si ustedes escuchan un ruidito, it's my fan because in this room I don't have an AC. This is my favorite color, so obviously I'm not gonna replace it for now. Maybe I should just wash it or something, but if it doesn't bother anyone, it doesn't bother me, so it is what it is. Foundations that I use when I like film. I don't use them every day because these are obviously like good products. These are Makeup Forever, so I'm gonna keep those up here. Also, this foundation se está derritiendo.
You want me to put it in the fridge?
Oh, ya falta poquito.
Aww.
This is why you need to keep your makeup at like cool temperature because si no se derrite and it's like, you know, this is expensive. This is Makeup Forever, sis. Lipsticks, I can keep them here. So I have this little just cardboard thing. I think this is from like the iPad or something. You know, from the packaging from the iPad. I just I used it because
Why not?
why exactly? Why not?
Reuse.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. There you go. Estos de ColourPop and Anastasia, I like to keep them in that little one that I have in my room where it displays all my lipsticks. I'd rather have it there. And so this one and this one too. So these I'm gonna take to my room so that they can be in there.
Room.
Oh, this one too.
Yeah.
Setting powder, I always keep it on the first drawer all the way in the back. See, I have my air spun. Concealers, these are the ones that I use when I film. These are not my everyday concealers, of course. So probably I should keep those here with like the eye section. This y todos los brushes los voy a lavar. So todo se queda aquí. Like todos estos se van a lavar.
It's insane how much brushes you have.
These two can go in the bathroom because this is deodorant and oil. Here is where I have like, I don't know if this is very practical. I have some of my lashes here. Y se ven feas. Like, technically I should have them like this para que mantenga like the curve and, you know, it's the way that it should be. Pero these are just ones that like just came in single packaging. So I kept them here. And these are just like Swarovski crystals that I don't want to lose, so I keep them in here. So this and this, as well as these palettes that I used today for filming, are gonna go into the drawer. So este está larguito, so it's always difficult to fit this in. Este larguito también from Pinky Rose lo puedo poner aquí paradito. You know, as long as it's like no flat surface, like cuando lo abra no se vaya a romper. se ve hasta shiny.
Yeah.
Ya para que cuando empiece a hacer otro video, like, you know, my table is clean already. So that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, guys, I'll see you tomorrow or whenever. Bye.
Bye.